Hi, Charles. You like the snow so far?
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah. We got a lot of snow on the ground, right?
Yeah, I know. And right in back of you, there's 3 ice
He
creams.
likes it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's why he likes.
There goes Charles' grandpa. Say hi, Domingo.
Hi.
You like the snow?
Yeah.
Me too.
What do you like about the snow, Charles?
Then we get to have snowball fights.
Oh, yeah? Who you gonna throw a snowball at?
You.
What? Why? All right, can you make a snowball for me?
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, wow. You gonna throw it at somebody?
Yeah.
Who? Let's check out the backyard. Wow, we got a lot of snow over here in New York. I'm gonna show you some. This is the future Rockefeller Center Christmas tree right here. We got a couple of them. Look at the baby.
Oh, shit.
Baby tree right there. There goes Charlie. That's cool. Been having fun shoveling?
No.
Oh my god. It's filled with snow from the backyard. All this wonderful snow. That's our barbecue grill filled with snow. And our steps filled with snow.
Go get us some